Okay, we have this 204R part. This one belongs to Chris, and I'm just gonna show one of the things that I was concerned about. This was a lot of thrust. So when I took it apart, that is the forward drum. And this is a billet forward drum, but this guy needs a new shaft now. And here is the overdrive ring gear, which was probably not going to slide on there anymore, but it was on there tight. I had to do a little bit of beating to get it off. This right here it's just the splines are loose. It has a little bit of side to side motion there. So this is a billet input. This is a billet forward drum. But unfortunately, both these guys are not going to go again. We're going to replace them. This guy here is way too long. It should be cut down, and you can see that it doesn't look too healthy. So when in doubt, we're going to replace it. We're not going to take a chance. We're also going to upgrade to the overdrive ring gear. If you look down in here, you can see the very top there. Glare from these lights. The very top is chewed up where the shaft was driven in there. So we're going to start from scratch. We're going to get completely billet front half this unit. But that's what that was. Normally when we check thrust, we take out the slack because the snap ring slides in this groove like that. That's our slack we're taking out. And then once the slack is taken out, we pull up on the whole assembly and we take our thrust measurement. So this right here is not, it's just, it may just be the part is a little bit thinner, but we're going to replace it all just to be safe. Overall, the unit's not a bad unit. There is room for improvement though. We don't have a low roller. The drum, I haven't measured it yet. Danielle, take that drum off there for me, please. Take the drum off there.
Oh, okay.
The drum appears to be in good shape, but when I took it off, no, take it off the center support.
Oh.
You can see there's
I did that.
two Teflon rings and one steel ring. I'm not sure what's going on there. So that confirms this unit's not dual fed.
Oh my God.
Let me see the drum. This is like a neither here nor there mod that some of us do, some of us don't. It's supposed to give the oil a place to go when the band comes on. But there is some upgrades we can do in direct. And in the direct we had a stock pressure plate and blue plates. Here's our blue plates, which look pretty good. Our frictions look good, and then our steels are okay. I probably replaced the steels with new ones. And there's our stock backing plate. We're going to throw that in the trash, and we're going to put our HD backing plate in that. It already has a Sonax servo, but we're going to redo the calibration on this. Then in the pump, there is some slight wear on the splines. This is a heat-treated stator support. I saw some talk about that the other day on the internet about do they wear? Yeah, I guess they do wear. So we're going to go through this real suspiciously. Somebody got a little overzealous with enlarging the drains here and there, and it's got a 10 vein rotor, which I prefer 7, but they're getting scarce. So we're just going to go through everything and check it out. But the bones aren't bad. There's some things I can improve on. The planetaries are marginal as far as pinion wear. They don't appear to be BRF planetaries, so we're probably going to put reman planetaries in there. And this band is cherry band, so we'll reuse that. So basically this unit will have everything that I know how to put in it when it's done. And one more thing I missed is it appears to be a correct governor, maybe, but that's not drilled, and it always is. And this spring isn't retained, so it can fly out of there on a burnout. So we'll drill that. We'll take care of that. We'll weight match it, and we'll pin the governor spring. Although the governor appears to be correct, and this is a BRF valve body. Hard to see, but it is a BRF. So that's it.